to find square root of 144 by division method. Let me first make a pair from right side to left hand side. So this is first pair, so this is second pair. You can add a 0 to make it pair, but this 0 don't have any value, you can omit. Consider this pair 1. So you need to take a number whose square will be equal to 1 or nearest to 1. 1 square equal to 1. So if I take here 1, then the same number will come to the quotient also. 1 times 1, 1. Subtract, you are getting 0. You need to write the number under the divisor. So here we have taken 1, so write 1 here and add 1 times 1, 2. Now you need to bring down the second pair, 44. So now construct the new divisor. You have to take here a number, okay, and you also need to multiply this by the number you are taking. So if you take here, look, here we have 44. So if you are take here 2, then what will happen? 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 2, 4, which is equal to 44. So our guessing number here 2 is correct. These 2 we are placing here, so these 2 must come to the quotient also. Then 2 times this is 22, so which will be 44. Subtract 0. We have taken here that is it 2, so 2 will come under the divisor. So and you need to add 2 plus 2, 4, then 2. Look, here we have 0 as remainder, so we need to stop here. The double of 12 is 24, so we can say that our square root 12 is correct for the number 144. The square root of 144 is 12.